Hello, everyone. Welcome back today. We are diving deep into the most exciting computer of 2026, the brand new M5 Mac Mini. This tiny silver box is changing everything we know about power and size. In this video, we will talk about the secret M5 chip, the insane 8K video speeds, and the new Siri 2.0. We have a lot of ground to cover, so make sure to watch until the end. Before we start, please like this video, share it with your tech-loving friends, and subscribe with the bell icon on. Let's get started. The new M5 Mac Mini is a total game changer for everyone who works on a desk. It is a tiny 5 by 5-inch silver box that literally fits in the palm of your hand. Apple has managed to shrink the size while making the brain of the computer much bigger. A tiny box with massive power. For years, people thought the Mac Mini was just a cheap computer for basic office work. But today, professional video editors and 3D artists are throwing away their big computers for this one. It is so powerful that even the most expensive machines are struggling to keep up, rewriting the rules of computing. The secret behind this speed is the new 3nm M5 chip that Apple just created. This chip has a massive 45% leap in graphics power compared to the older models. It makes high-end gaming computers look like cheap plastic toys because it is so efficient. The revolutionary M5 graphics leap. One big problem with small computers is that they usually get very hot and loud. But Apple has designed a genius new internal thermal system that keeps everything cool. It uses different tiles to separate the heat so the machine never feels like it is burning. Silent power and smart cooling. This means you can edit 4K or 8K videos for hours without hearing any fan noise. The M5 Mac Mini remains totally silent and deadly efficient even during the hardest tasks. It is perfect for people who record audio or just hate a noisy office. Deadly efficient thermal redesign. The base M5 model features a 10-core CPU that is armed with a brand new secret weapon. Apple calls these super cores, and they're made for heavy, single-threaded power tasks. This means the moment you click a heavy app like Photoshop, it opens instantly. Super cores for instant speed. If you want even more power, the M5 Pro model uses a new fusion architecture design. This bonds separate parts of the chip together to reach a memory bandwidth of 300 gigabytes per second. It is like having a supercomputer sitting right next to your coffee mug. Fusion architecture and Pro power. The storage inside this machine is getting a revolutionary upgrade that will change your life. Apple added a new solid-state controller that effectively kills the loading bar forever. We're looking at read and write speeds that reach an insane 14.5 gigabytes per second. The end of the loading bar. Imagine moving a gigantic 100 gigabytes file, like an 8K movie, in just about 7 seconds. This turns your internal storage into an extension of your RAM memory for better multitasking. You can jump between 20 different apps, and the computer will never lag or slow down. Insane data transfer speeds. However, there is a small catch that every buyer needs to know about this year. Apple has officially moved production to a high-tech factory in Texas, United States. Shifting away from overseas factories means that the labor costs are now much higher for Apple. New manufacturing in Texas, USA. Because of these higher costs, the days of the $599 Mac Mini are likely coming to an end. We could see the starting price jump to $699 or maybe even $799 for the base model. This is a big jump, but Apple is adding more features to justify it. Understanding the new price hike. To make the price feel fair, Apple is doubling the base storage to 512 gigabytes for everyone. They are also including ultra-fast Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 technology inside the box. This ensures that your new computer will stay modern and fast for at least 5 years. Double storage and future tech. You might wonder why Apple is putting so much power into their cheapest desktop computer. The truth is that we are entering a new era of local AI or Apple Intelligence. This requires a lot of raw power that happens right on your physical desk. The Apple Intelligence Endgame. The new M5 neural engine is rumored to be 4 times faster than the previous M4 model. This is a huge leap that allows the Mac Mini to be the central brain of your home. It can run complex AI models in total privacy without SE. Ding data to the cloud. A private local AI server. This all connects to the official WWDC 2026 announcement coming this June. Apple is expected to launch iOS 27 and a brand new version of Siri 2.0. This Siri is built on the Gemini Foundation to offer human-like conversational awareness and help. Siri 2.0 and human conversations. You'll be able to ask Siri to do complex tasks like planning a birthday party. Siri will check your calendar, find locations,